Done a pretty shitty job of recording, but I got a monster. It's like a day or two after this diesel. I went ahead, I got my new mirror. Surprisingly, I find a hell of a deal on one of these. I think it was 1A Auto. It was like 400 bucks, which a used one was going for 400 bucks. I got the emblem mounted. What else did I do? So I put that on. Headlights are just one bolt in. I was just trying to see how it looked, test my lights. I have to put my new blinkers in, all the bulbs in the headlights still. I have the grille support, the lower one, and the upper grille support, and my grille are all here, along with the fender bolts to finalize the mount of the fender, and then also everything but the bumper on the front end is here. So we're gonna go ahead today, mount up the front grille support, which I have to take out the headlights, and then pop the hood, take out the headlights. Let's have one screw sit in there. Possibly. Ten out of 10 recommend Tasca parts, T-A-S-C-A. They have all the OEM Ford stuff. It says Ford on it. I don't know, if not, they're good at duplicating it. But for all the stupid little things, if not, Ford will hit you with an arm and leg for that stuff. So once I get on the lower plastic piece, bolt down my fender finally, I'm gonna put the headlights back. Well, no, actually I'm not. I have to put on that lower grille support. So I'm gonna put on that lower grille support after I bolt down my fender, and then go from there. Jake finally made it fucking out here, but we're gonna open the lower support. Put this bitch on.
Hey, but you get these gloves.
Yeah. We're turning the. I wonder if.
Oh my God! I'm gonna have to send back my logo. That is not big enough.
All right, get the lower support on. Got both the headlights in. I ordered the wrong switchback single bulb, so I'm gonna have to order new ones of that. So right now I'm just trying to bolt down the upper grille support. Then I'm gonna go ahead and push in the grille. I have to still order my emblems. Other than that, I'm waiting on my bumper to get here, and then I'm gonna flip my turn signal on because my one bulb ain't working. But other than that, that's it. So. That's a pain in the ass. These clips at the bottom, if it's not OEM, they suck. But so they order my logo. Got that on. I think that's where I'm gonna wash it today. Clean up. I'm gonna wash everything that I have out. And that's pretty much it. Just waiting on the bumper.
You going? What's your hurry, baby? Where you headed to? Where you headed to? Where are you coming back? Will you be returning anytime soon? Anytime soon, yeah.